Well, as I pulled into the dealership today, I couldn't help but notice this beautiful yellow Corvette out front of the building. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette 1LT Coupe, yellow. It looks absolutely beautiful. It is Velocity yellow on the exterior, Ebony in the interior, and under the hood a 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the CD MP3 stereo. It has that Velocity yellow tint coat upcharge, looks great. HID headlights, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, electric rear hatch pull down. It has dual zone electronic climate control, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on this car is power. It includes cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, the car comes with a clean Carfax, and this '07 Corvette shows just 15,650 miles. It's in very nice condition. The car's paint is in very good, nice shine. Factory painted wheels are in very good to excellent condition. And the interior of this 2007 Corvette shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, door panels, and an excellent steering wheel as well. The only addition to this car appears to be a set of Lloyd floor mats with the C6 embroidery. They look great. The car has been fully serviced, and all instrument gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, everything on this car are in good operating condition. And just never assume that this is an average condition Corvette, as BioVet specializes in hand-picked Corvettes that are loaded with expensive factory options. All of our certified Corvettes are way above average condition for the miles, and in addition, they are all fully serviced. So give us a call here at buyvet.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. We can help you purchase this car online with ease. More importantly, you can buy it with confidence online, and we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you might imagine. So give us a call, buyvet.net, Atlanta, Georgia. Stop in and see us if you're ever driving through Atlanta. We'd love to see you in your showroom. It's like coming to the Corvette Museum, in fact. So anyway, we hope to hear from you really soon. Buyvet.net in Atlanta, Georgia.